If you told me that I'd be listing off the steps of glycolysis during a med school interview, my name's Miku. I'm a first year medical student, and here are some questions I was asked during my med school interviews that probably should have made me crash out. During the very first interview that I got, the first question they asked me is, "You're a biochem major, can you tell us the steps of glycolysis?" And I actually had to do it. I was pretty shocked, but I just kept my cool and I giggled. And I said glucose 6 phosphate. And if at any point I forgot, I would just talk about the biological goal of glycolysis or about how it went to the Krebs cycle and then the ETC. And maybe if I knew a fact like how many ATP that step produced, then I would talk about that. It definitely wasn't perfect, but I did have a lot of excitement when I was talking about it because I love biochemistry, so maybe they were just trying to see that. Another crazy question I was asked during a different interview for a different school was, why should we pick you over a different applicant? The way it just rolled off of their tongue like a casual question was so crazy. And I was just honest. I was like, I don't necessarily think you should pick me over someone else who applied. I think we both worked hard. But then I said something more specific to the school, which is in an underserved area, and talked about some of the activities I did related to that. And I was like, I think anyone can learn to take care of this type of population, but it's really important and advantageous to pick someone that's done that before. The last question, I don't really know how much I should say about it,